Alright guys, this is Charlie Do Right. I want to try to get one more final shot of all these problem areas with a cylinder head. And I got a light to help, hopefully kind of help it a little bit. So you can see it, hopefully you can see a little bit better, some of these cracks. Alright, cylinder number 3. There's a crack right there. I don't know if you can see it with the pick tool or not. It's right along that chamber there. There's a hole. There's actually some holes in there. I don't know if it goes all the way through that little combustion chamber or not. There's a hole there and there. And this crack on cylinder 2, it goes all the way up. That glare is terrible. See, the lighting just right is so difficult. It actually goes into the gasket here, past the surface, or past, you know, where it goes into the combustion chamber. Cylinder 3. Now, crack repairs. This is between 3 and 4, right in the center of the engine. I don't know if this thing's really helping me or hurting me here. Well, it does have a laser pointer. Let's try that. Maybe I can get rid of this little pick tool. Does it show up? Kinda, sort of, maybe. Not really. Anyways, that's back to number 3. This is between 3 and 4. This is a crack repair. And there's like a crack right here. It goes out from this bolt hole. There's a crack. This crack repair continues all the way over. This is between 3 and 4 in the center of the head. And then above cylinder number 4, there's another crack repair. And I'm not sure. I don't think that's a crack. It's probably some rust. And then between 4 and 5, there's this crack repair. It's a crack, you know, it's cracked on the right side of it. Bottom side of that hole, right there. And on the left side of this hole, there's a crack repair. This is cylinder 5. I can never get this shot to work right before. There's a crack running up this way. See it? I don't know if you can see that or not, but that was a crack running up this way, and it runs all the way down into here. I have not removed these valves, so this crack might go into the seat. I don't know quite yet. But I'm hoping you can see where the little light's at. That's where this crack is. And then this crack makes a Y right here, and it breaks to the right. And it goes up over here. And you're probably not going to be able to see it, but I'm trying to show how the crack goes. And also, this crack from this port, or whatever, starts all the way up here, outside of the combustion chamber. I think that's about where it ends at, and it goes all the way down to there. Okay, I'm going to move back to number 6. I don't think there was any cracks there, but there was a crack repair that is right here. So I'm just trying to point out all these I've had some people trying to tell me that I should bolt it on and try to use it. I don't see the point. I mean, I know it's going to be expensive, but I could bolt it on and try it, but it would be very risky, and I don't really like wasting my time a whole lot if I can help it. Anyways, that's it. I'm hoping that you guys in the forum can have some advice for me. Chow doo doo right out.